Okay, I have debarked these braces, diagonal braces, and I think they're just a little bit long, yes. I will fasten them to each of the three, well, actually I'll fasten it to the post down here. So I want to cut this. Now, cut this about, now I'm going to cut it about there. This one, I'll cut about there. Okay. That'll do it. So I'm ready to fasten those into position with the same kind of procedure here. Guess I'll do this one first. Okay, then right here, by the way, these deck screws are also number 8. Number 8 by 1 1/4. That works real well for this size diameter of things. All right, up here. That's probably close to coming through the other side, but if it is, I'll file it. But no, it's fine. That's fine. All right, so last step is to get this in position where it's touching all three. Yes, right there. These cross braces like this really add a lot of strength. I'll probably treat these with some paraffin oil, which is a good outdoor oil. But this broom, I've had it outdoors from chairs I've made for years, and it doesn't decay very fast anyway. I've had these chairs for more than 10 years outside, and they're fine. Now the last thing that I do, and maybe I'll just go ahead and show that last step in another segment. I pin these mortise and tenon joints with a nail, galvanized nail. Okay, now that is a strong piece, and that'll work quite well. Yeah. It's a little bit smaller than the others, but it'll still be useful for lots of things in the garden. All right, this last step, I'll just do one of these pins. I just run a little pilot hole. Run a little pilot hole. Like that. Then I take a galvanized nail, and these are number 4Ds, and they are too long, so I have to go through and then saw it off and file it smooth on the other side. Let me get a better position on that. So that goes through the other side, and I just saw it off with a hacksaw and then file it smooth. That works quite well. Let me just go ahead and pin this one. I don't think those tenons were going to come out, but pinning them is just for sure going to hold these things from coming apart. The wood is wet, and I'm not gluing anything, so I feel better about having these nails in here. This is green wood, so it's going to shrink, but also the socket is going to shrink. So I'm not sure if there's any problem then with these things coming apart. I don't pin that one down there because I got this brace holding that bottom together. It's not going anywhere. Gotta get a better angle on that. Okay, then I'll saw those off and file them smooth, and it's done.